When I searched for the best accessories for the Pixel 10 Pro XL, one case that instantly grabbed my attention. Ever felt lost scrolling through endless accessories, unsure which ones truly deserve your money? Today, I searched for the best accessories for Google Pixel 10 Pro XL so you don't have to. Welcome to the channel. Check the links in the description, grab your favorites, and let's make your Pixel experience unforgettable. The number 12 product on our list is Spigen Liquid Air MagFit Case. It's surprising how often people settle for cases that either feel bulky or slip too easily from the hand. And that's where this slim magnetic option quietly proves its worth. While exploring the best accessories for the Pixel 10 Pro XL, this case stood out because it balances sleek style with genuine protection, something most users desperately look for. The flexible TPU frame molds naturally to your grip, making the phone feel secure without ever feeling heavy, while its air cushion corners absorb shocks that would otherwise leave you with a cracked screen. The built-in magnetic alignment works flawlessly with accessories, offering that extra layer of convenience you don't realize you need until you have it. Raised edges protect the screen and lenses, and the textured design disperses impact forces intelligently, a detail that shows real engineering thought. It may not be flashy, but that's its strength, elegance paired with dependability. For anyone wanting a trustworthy, everyday companion, tested in real-world comfort, this is a smart, safe choice. At number 11 is Spigen Glas.tR Fit Screen Protector. While an accidental drop can shatter more than just your screen, it can ruin the whole experience of owning a premium phone. And that's why, while searching for the best accessories for the Pixel 10 Pro XL, this tempered glass option instantly caught my attention. The installation is seamless thanks to its guided fit design, removing the usual stress of bubbles or misalignment. Once applied, the 9H hardness truly feels like a shield, giving peace of mind that keys, coins, or random slips won't leave lasting scars. The oleophobic coating makes swiping smooth and keeps the display free from greasy fingerprints, a detail that adds real everyday comfort. What's impressive is how crystal clear it remains, preserving brightness and responsiveness without feeling like there's anything on top of the display at all. Compared to generic screen protectors, this one has been tested for real-world comfort and consistently delivers a sense of safety. For anyone who values clarity, durability, and reliable daily defense, this is a wise investment. But number 10 is Google Pixel Buds Pro. When I searched for the best accessories for the Pixel 10 Pro XL, one product that instantly stood out wasn't a case or a charger. It was a pair of earbuds built to transform the way you experience sound. The Buds Pro are more than just wireless earphones. They're a blend of comfort, power, and smart functionality that adapts to your daily life. Active noise cancellation with silent seal creates a quiet space that feels like a personal retreat, while the custom 11mm drivers deliver rich, balanced audio tested for real-world comfort. Transparency mode adds peace of mind when moving through busy streets, making it a smart choice for safety as well as entertainment. The long battery life, wireless charging, and seamless device switching eliminate the usual frustrations of true wireless earbuds, while water resistance means you can trust them during workouts or rainy commutes. Compared to others in the same range, they feel refined, reliable, and built for everyday relief. For anyone seeking effortless calls, immersive music, and a companion that just works, these are worth the investment. And number 9 is Google Pixel Watch 2. When I searched for the best accessories for the Pixel 10 Pro XL, one device instantly redefined the meaning of a perfect companion: the Pixel Watch 2. It's not just a smartwatch, it feels like a daily partner that quietly takes care of your health, safety, and productivity. Built with lightweight recycled aluminium, it rests comfortably on your wrist, tested for real-world comfort even during long days. The new heart rate sensor, powered by Google AI, makes tracking precise, while stress management tools and skin temperature monitoring add peace of mind in moments we often overlook. For many, battery life has always been a concern with wearables, but here a quick charge delivers a full day, solving a problem that frustrates countless users. Emergency SOS, fall detection, and safety check features bring relief and a sense of security, while fitness tools like auto workout and pace training guide you towards smarter routines. Unlike many rivals, it blends style with substance, offering a feeling of balance. For anyone wanting health insights, safety features, and seamless integration, this is a smart and reliable choice. At number 8 is SUPERONE Retractable Car Charger. When I searched for the best accessories for the Pixel 10 Pro XL, I realized one of the biggest struggles people face is messy, tangled cables in their car, and that's exactly where the SUPERONE retractable car charger comes in as a lifesaver. With its dual 80cm retractable cables, it instantly clears the clutter, giving your car a neat and organized look. More than just tidy, it's powerful. A 4-in-1 fast charging hub delivering PD30W, USB-C, and USB-A ports, so you can charge 4 devices at once, tested for real-world comfort on long drives. Its compact size fits seamlessly into any car interior, while the adjustable 180-degree plug ensures stability even on bumpy roads, solving the problem of unreliable charging. The durability and eco-friendly design bring peace of mind, knowing you won't be replacing it anytime soon. Unlike carrying multiple bulky chargers, this single piece feels like a smart choice that simplifies your life. If you value speed, organization, and reliability on the road, this is a worthy addition to your essentials. Number 7 is Google 45-watt USB-C power charger. When I searched for the best accessories for the Pixel 10 Pro XL, one product stood out immediately: the Google 45-watt USB-C power charger, a solution that eliminates the constant worry of slow charging. Imagine powering your phone to nearly 70% in just half an hour. That speed alone transforms how you manage your day. The beauty of this charger is in its versatility. It doesn't stop at phones, but also works effortlessly with Pixel Buds, tablets, and even laptops, making it feel like an all-in-one essential tested for real-world comfort. Its compact design slips easily into any bag, while the fact that it's built with nearly half recycled plastics adds a sense of responsibility and peace of mind. Unlike third-party options that sometimes overpromise and underdeliver, this one maintains consistency, giving you both safety and reliability on every charge. If you want a powerful, eco-conscious charger that keeps up with modern demands, this is a smart and worthy investment. At number 6 is Miracase phone holder. When I searched for the best accessories for the Pixel 10 Pro XL, I found that convenience during driving is just as important as protection or charging, and that's where the Miracase phone holder instantly makes sense. Most people struggle with phone mounts that slip, wobble, or completely fall off at the worst possible time, creating unnecessary stress. But this holder solves that problem with its strong metal hook design, tested for real-world comfort, gripping vents firmly and staying steady even on bumpy roads. The one-hand operation feels effortless, letting you release or lock your phone in seconds, giving you peace of mind when you need to focus on the road. The 360-degree rotation adds freedom to view maps in portrait or landscape, ensuring comfort and safety blend perfectly. Unlike many holders that limit compatibility, this one fits a wide range of phones with cases, adding more flexibility. If you want reliability, sturdiness, and stress-free driving, this product is an intelligent investment. At number 5 is VEEKTOMX Power Bank. Running out of battery at the worst moment is more than an inconvenience. It's a real frustration, and while searching for the best accessories for the Pixel 10 Pro XL, I came across the VEEKTOMX Power Bank that feels like a true lifesaver. What instantly sets it apart is the built-in cables eliminating the constant hunt for cords, and that single detail alone makes it tested for real-world comfort in everyday life. The fast charging capability is no gimmick either, topping up devices in nearly half the time of standard chargers, which means more freedom and less waiting. Its slim, lightweight design adds peace of mind while traveling, sliding effortlessly into your pocket or clipping to a bag without bulk. Safety isn't overlooked. 9 layers of protection ensure reliability without second-guessing. Unlike generic banks that feel like temporary fixes, this one gives genuine relief, offering dependable power when it matters most. If you want smart convenience, speed, and safety wrapped together, this device is worth choosing. At number 4 is FNTCASE Protective Magnetic. When I searched for the best accessories for the Pixel 10 Pro XL, one product instantly caught my attention because it promised not just style, but complete reassurance. And that's where the FNTCASE Protective Magnetic really shines. Most people struggle with bulky cases that either compromise wireless charging or lack proper grip, but this one answers both problems with a clever design. The built-in magnetic kickstand feels like a real-world upgrade, giving you the freedom to prop your phone in any position without fumbling for extra stands while still supporting charging convenience. Its integrated screen protector adds another layer of peace of mind, sparing you the extra cost and hassle of installing one separately. What stood out in use was the comfort, non-slip sides, matte edges, and a texture that feels secure without being heavy. Compared to flimsy alternatives, this case feels like a smart investment that combines safety, usability, and confidence, making it a pick you won't regret. The third one on our list is Sony wireless headphone. When I searched for the best accessories for the Pixel 10 Pro XL, I wanted something that could truly elevate the way I enjoy content on the go, and that's exactly where the Sony wireless headphone comes into play. Imagine getting lost in your favorite playlist or binge-watching a series without worrying about charging for days. Its 50-hour battery life makes that a reality, and the quick charge is a lifesaver when you're rushing out. Many users complain about discomfort with over-ear headphones during long use, but here, the soft pads, lightweight design, and adjustable headband make it feel effortless. Tested for comfort even during marathon sessions. The sound is where it really wins. Rich, clear, and customizable through the app, giving you full control over your experience. Compared to cheaper alternatives, the balance of audio performance and comfort feels like a smart decision. If you're after reliability, style, and peace of mind in daily use, this headphone deserves serious consideration. The Sense and number 2 is TORRAS 360 Spin Magnetic Case. When I searched for the best accessories for the Pixel 10 Pro XL, I wanted something that didn't just protect the phone, but also added real-world convenience, and that's exactly what this 360 spin magnetic case delivers. The first thing that stands out is its versatile kickstand, spinning smoothly to give you the perfect viewing angle whether you're in a video call or binging a show, and the fact that it's been tested thousands of times gives a sense of durability you can actually trust. Many cases promise protection, but fall short during accidental drops. Here, the reinforced cushioning and military-grade build provide that peace of mind you're always looking for. What impressed me even more was the magnetic lock, snapping firmly onto mounts without wobble, making travel and daily use effortless compared to cheaper options. It's slim, stylish, and the grip feels premium, solving the slippery phone problem instantly. If you value safety, style, and reliability in one smart choice, this case is a standout pick. Now, moving to the last one is Spigen NanoPop MagFit case. When I searched for the best accessories for the Pixel 10 Pro XL, one case that instantly grabbed my attention was this sleek MagFit option that blends style with real protection. The first impression is its vibrant two-tone finish that gives your phone personality while keeping things slim and true to fit, something bulky alternatives often fail at. People often worry about drops or scratches on their expensive device, and that's where this case shines, with reinforced corners, raised bezels, and shock absorption that feels tested for real-world comfort. What sets it apart is the magnetic compatibility, making it effortless to use with charging docks and mounts, a small detail that adds huge convenience compared to non-magnetic cases. The textured grip solves the slippery hand problem, while the precise buttons and cutouts make daily use seamless. It's not as rugged as some military-grade options, but for those who want lightweight protection without sacrificing looks, this case delivers peace of mind with a premium feel that feels genuinely worth choosing. So guys, this was the video about the iSearch for the best accessories for Google Pixel 10 Pro XL. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.